How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And today I would like to showcase to you guys the speed, essentially, of Surfshark. So my base speed is at 5.71 megabits per second. Now, keep in mind, the speed tests will vary from one speed test to another, and there are multiple factors that determine that, really, such as which server I'm connecting to and the physical distance between me and that server, my ISP, my speed, a bunch of other factors that also contribute to that, but these are some of the main ones. Now, I'm going to use the percentage increase calculator in order to measure how much speed are we going to lose. Usually, a 10 to 20% loss or drop in speed is pretty good, really. Express, Nord, and Surfshark are known for upholding such standard. Now, anything above 20 to 40%, for me specifically, because I don't have the most impressive download speed, I wouldn't mind if that happened to my upload, but the download speed is going to take a big hit because, as you can tell, the base speed is really not that great. So a 40% hit would really just decrease the quality of my internet browsing in general and streaming and stuff. So I would like to stay within the 10 to 20%. So let's see how Surfshark does. Before we begin, if you're interested in Surfshark, you'll find links to special deals and discounts in the description down below. So feel free to take advantage of those. I'll also link the review as well if you're interested. I'm going to start with a nearby server, which is Rome, and we'll see how it does. I'm using the WireGuard protocol, which is the quickest protocol you could use. And that's about it. So now that I'm connected, let's open up another speed test page here and see what happens. Now, I do expect, since this is a nearby server, I expect very high speeds, probably less than 10% of a speed drop. This is this is definitely what's going to happen for this speed test right here for this region. I'm going to try one in the far east and another server in the far west, and we'll see if the server or if the speed can still hold up. So that'll be 5.11, roughly a 10%, 10.5% drop in speed. Not bad at all. So let's see how badly. Yeah, that's over nearly a 40% drop for the upload speed. Not bad at all. That's okay for the upload speed, but for the download speed, we're doing pretty well at 10% roughly. So let's try another server in the far west and see how it does. By the far west, I mean the United States. So let's go all the way down. Let's go, let's try New York. Okay, let's go East Coast, a little bit closer. So we don't want to go all the way to Los Angeles, for example. Because, New York will definitely offer us slightly better connection. And that would be the realistic state or server to connect to if you're trying to get faster speeds. So we're going to hit the speed test here and see how it does. Again, my base speed is at 5.71. So I would appreciate anything below 20%, even 15% would be even better. So using the WireGuard protocol, let's see how Surfshark does. We'll run it through the percentage increase calculator here. Oh, wow. Okay. It's doing really well on the New York server. Not bad at all. So we're gonna, this is roughly also, it's probably about 11%. So what is that? 5.05. So 5.05, that'll be 11.5, 11.6%. Very good, very good. Surfshark is actually definitely pretty impressive. Now the upload speed took quite a bit of a hit, over 50%, but look at that number. So yeah, that not bad at all. Not bad at all though. Still, that upload speed will still allow me to upload in HD or stream, not stream. Yeah, stream Twitch, for example, in HD. Not bad at all. Might struggle a little bit with 1080p 60 frames streaming. So yep, well, that's expected if you're connecting to a further server. Now let's try a Far East location. Now, realistically, you know, if I'm trying to connect to the Far East, I'm most likely trying to connect to Japan. So let's see how Japan does. In case I want to watch some kind of anime that's not available or something like that. Now, let's open up another speed test and we're going to run it. This is the final kind of country we're going to run. I think it's a fair test overall. You know, the point of this video is just to give you guys a rough idea of what Surfshark or how Surfshark performs in general. You know, you can take this test with a bit of about 70 to 80, 85% accuracy. Again, there are multiple factors that will affect each speed test. So if I run the speed test again, I'll get similar results, but definitely, you know, not the same. But it's just supposed to give you a bit of a rough aggregate, really, as I said, just sort of an estimation as to how reliable Surfshark can be. Specifically, the most powerful WireGuard protocol here, the most powerful protocol in Surfshark, the WireGuard protocol. So yeah, it's taking a little bit of time. So I'm going to skip to the part where we got the test and we got the results, excuse me, and I'll see you guys when they're ready. Okay, there we go. So we've connected to a server here. I just had to turn off, just disconnect and reconnect again. Sometimes that does happen. Now it looks like we're going to be getting yeah, this looks pretty good, actually. This looks pretty good until it drops a little bit. So 4.95. This is looking very good for Surfshark, really. 4.95. This is not even a 15% decrease. This is a 13.3%. Looks super good for Surfshark right here. Well, obviously the ping and upload just went down the drain considering how far Japan is. So yeah, that's generally is pretty good. This is still good enough for me for Netflix, for example, if I'm trying to watch something on Netflix. So yeah, looks pretty good. And that would be it. Really, I just wanted to kind of demonstrate that real quick and show you guys that, you know, if you're interested in Surfshark and you're not sure how the speed is kind of, you know, how it runs or what the performance is like and how speedy it is. So that'll be it for this video. Again, if you're interested in Surfshark, you'll find links to pricing and discounts in the description down below. Feel free to take advantage of those. I'll also link the review down below. So yeah, that would be it for me. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.